guys, welcome back to Felos Haven. Today we're gonna be, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are, enjoying your week. I hope you guys are just expecting something good, something better, something nice in your lives. Yeah, so this week we're gonna be working on an interesting video. I saw this challenge, this challenge, and I was interested. I was like, oh, come on now, I can also hop onto this challenge, and I decided, well, why not? So today we're gonna be making some Palazzos jogger pants with this purple material, and this mustard. We're gonna be making a crop top, a t-shirt, whatever we're gonna make with this. And of course, the reason I chose these colors is because they're also on the Steers logo. So yeah, just stay tuned and flow with me into the video. Enjoy. So from what I said, that today we're making some palazzo joggers. This is a layout of the palazzo. I just folded my fabric in half, the selvage matching facing the other selvage side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark my waist. My waistline is 65 centimeters. So if I divide it by 4, since I'm cutting 2 pieces each, I will get 17. So here I'll just mark 17 and then add allowance. And my allowance, I'll add 1 centimeter from one side, which means I'll be at a mark here. This is for my waist. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace the shape of these palazzo pants, leaving allowance so that I'll be able to fit. And also do the same on the other side, leaving seam allowance. This is my front, so this is how it looks like after being marked. The waistline, yeah. So now I'm just going to cut it out, and this is the front part. This is the front pattern piece. I'm going ahead to cut the back pattern piece. So now I'm going to mark the back side, the pattern. Remember, the crotch for the back, it has to be slightly bigger than the one for the front. So I'm just going to cut it out. So this is it for the front and the back pattern pieces of the palazzo joggers. Now I'm going ahead to cut my pockets. So this is the shape of the pocket that I want. I'm just going to cut this out, and I folded my fabric, so I'm going to be cutting 2 pieces. So these are the 2 pockets for the front. I'm going ahead to cut the side pockets. So these will be my 2 side pockets. All I'll have to do is to make the inverted pleat here at the middle, measuring 3 centimeters. So I'll stitch from here. So my bust, now we are going ahead to cut the top, and my bust is 88, so I'm just going to divide it by 4. Which is 22. So we start with working with the neckline. Starting from the top, I'll measure 6 centimeters. And then 6 centimeters from the other side. We make this curve. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's for our neckline. I'm just working on the front part for now. And for the shoulder, we measure 14. So, and then 2 centimeters from the top. So your shoulder will be slightly bent like this. And then from here we measure 20. This is the bust line, and my bust, we need 22 centimeters from the fold. So this is where my bust is. Now we're just going to mark my armhole and connect it to the bust line. After that, you measure your bodice, how, you know, where you want your top to end. I want mine on 43, so you measure from the shoulder to where you want it to be, which is here 43. So I'm just going to add another hemming allowance, so I'll put it at 45. So this is it for the top. I'm just going ahead to cut out what I have measured so far. This is how my front pattern looks like. Material is stretchy, as you can see. Now I'm going ahead to cut the back. The back is almost the same. I'll just lay out my front piece like so, and then cut out the back. These are my two pattern pieces. Now we're going to cut the sleeves of the top. This is the cutout of the sleeve. So these are all my pattern pieces. The front, the back. How I know that this is the front and this is the back, you look at the neckline. The front neckline is lower and this one is slightly higher, and these are my two sleeves. That is it for the cutout. So now we're going ahead to the machine and just stitching with a straight stitch. All the seams attaching your, for the t-shirt, you just attach it like this. And then you attach the sides, the shoulders, and then after that you can join in the sleeves. This is how it will look, pretty much. Sorry, like so. This is how it will look. So I'll be just showing you guys how I'm going to be going around about it when after joining the pattern pieces. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to press that subscribe button, press the like button, comment, share it with someone. Until next time, stay blessed.